All right, third example, sum of two numbers is 41. So right off the bat, I'm going to circle this, write an equation. I'm going back to sum, so I'm adding two numbers. I don't know them. I'm going to use x and y again. So x plus y equals 41. And then the second part of the equation is kind of the tough part. So it says the larger number, I'm going to call that x, is 4 less than 8 times the smaller number is going to be y. So how do I write an equation that says the larger number is 4 less than 8 times the smaller number? I'm going to kind of do that backwards. 8 times the smaller number. The smaller number is y, so I'm going to do 8 times y. But it's not just 8 times the smaller number, it's 4 less than that. So in order to do 4 less than that, I'm going to subtract 4. So 8 times the smaller number, and then 4 less than that gives me the larger number, x. So I have my two equations. I'm just going to erase those to get them out of the way. So now, again, I can use any method I want in order to solve this problem. I'm going to stick with substitution because I keep seeing these variables on their own. So I see that this x is 8y minus 4. And so I can go plug it in for this x right here. And rewrite that top equation to say 8y minus 4 plus y equals 41. I'm going to add the 8y and the 1y to get 9y. I'm going to add 4 to both sides. I'm going to get 9y equals 45. And when I divide both sides by 9 here, that'll tell me that y is 5. So I have one of my two missing numbers. In order to find the other missing number, I can go ahead and plug it into one of the original equations. Like if I go ahead and plug in right here to this red equation, I know y is 5 now, so I can do 8 times 5 is 40. And then 40 minus 4 would give me 36. So I know that x is 36. So I have my two missing numbers. I can check to make sure they're right. The question said that the sum should be 41. So yes, 5 plus 36 does give me 41. The question also says the larger number is 4 less than 8 times the smaller number. So if I take this smaller number 5, if I multiply it by 8, I get 40. But 4 less than that is 36. So these are the two mystery numbers that the problem is looking for. Please do not do guess and check on these problems. I want you writing out all the steps and solving the equations just like I'm doing here in these videos.